There are two common approaches to creatine supplementation: the loading phase and the maintenance phase. And understanding the creatine loading phase is essential for anyone looking to maximize the benefits of this already powerful supplement. Let's dive into the top 4 reasons why. Faster saturation of muscle creatine stores. One of the primary reasons for undergoing a creatine loading phase is to saturate your muscle creatine stores rapidly. Creatine is stored in your muscles as creatine phosphate, which is used to produce adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency of the cell. By quickly saturating your muscle creatine stores, you can optimize your body's ATP production, thereby enhancing your athletic performance. Several studies support the efficacy of a loading phase for quicker saturation. For example, a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that a creatine loading phase could saturate muscle creatine stores within just a few days, compared to several weeks without loading. Improved exercise performance. A creatine loading phase can lead to immediate and significant improvements in exercise performance. Whether you're a weightlifter, a sprinter, or an endurance athlete, a loading phase can enhance your performance metrics across the board. This includes improvements in strength, power output, and even endurance for some athletes. Data from various studies confirm these performance improvements. A meta-analysis published in the Sports Medicine Journal found that creatine loading could improve strength performance by up to 15% and power performance by up to 30%. Enhanced recovery. Another compelling reason to consider a creatine loading phase is the potential for enhanced recovery post-workout. Creatine plays a vital role in the regeneration of ATP, which is depleted during intense exercise. Faster ATP regeneration means quicker recovery and less muscle soreness, allowing you to train harder and more frequently. Studies have shown that athletes who undergo a creatine loading phase experience improved recovery rates. For instance, a study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that creatine loading reduced muscle cell damage and inflammation following intense exercise. Optimal utilization of maintenance phase. Successfully completing a creatine loading phase sets the stage for an effective maintenance phase. Once your muscle creatine stores are fully saturated, you can maintain those levels with a much lower daily dose of creatine, making supplementation more cost-effective. Scientific evidence also supports this claim. A study published in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine found that athletes who completed a loading phase needed significantly less creatine to maintain their muscle creatine stores. In summary, there are several compelling reasons to consider a creatine loading phase, ranging from faster saturation of muscle creatine stores and improved exercise performance to enhanced recovery and optimal utilization of the maintenance phase. By understanding and implementing a creatine loading phase, you can maximize its benefits.